Hey guys, welcome to the lesson on coefficients. I wanted to do a quick little video on coefficients because it's something that's going to come up as a topic from here on out, not only in high school, but also in any college level math. There are a lot of coefficients out there, and we need to discuss them so that we don't make simple mistakes. First off, a coefficient is simply the number in front of a variable or parenthesis set. Mathematically, it just means we're going to multiply. In this case, anything that gets substituted for x, let's say 2, will be multiplied by 5, just like this. Whereas with parentheses, let's not replace x yet. We simply multiply everything inside the parentheses. Notice both x and 2 were multiplied. We do have to keep in mind like terms. That will be another lesson all in its own. However, this lesson is meant to talk about coefficients. Now, what do we do if we have a coefficient, parentheses, and something outside the coefficient? The coefficient only affects what's inside the parentheses, nothing else. So, our expression would look something like this. That'll be it for this part of the lesson. Next up is a few common mistakes that people make. So common mistakes that are made. Coefficients are kind of weird. Much like our useless numbers, they have useless symbols that we don't include sometimes. This can lead to some confusion. Notice here that we have 3x and x is equal to 2. One common mistake is to forget to multiply at all. Remember, coefficients are essentially multiplication. Instead, they answer 32. Now, one quick way to understand this is to understand that technically our variable is inside a parenthesis set. Even though we don't see the parentheses because they're not needed, it is within parentheses. Sometimes back converting can help out. I'm not saying this is a catch-all, but it may help you understand it better if you run into trouble. One other trick, or one other mistake, I should say, is that students sometimes forget to multiply everything inside the parentheses. Remember, this is incorrect. This is correct. Other than those simple issues, the most common mistake has to do with sign changes. What do you do when the coefficient is negative? The easiest thing I can say is that you turn everything that is positive inside the parentheses negative, and everything negative inside the parentheses positive. That's going to do it for this mini lesson. I hope this helps you out understanding coefficients. We'll be doing more work with distributive multiplication in the future. We'll also be combining it with things like terms and multiple variables. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you later.